Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best 4K dash camera. The Red Tiger A6 4K dash camera is designed to keep your drive safe, secure, and fully documented. With dual-channel recording and advanced features, it's the ultimate companion for any driver. Let's get started. Key features: dual-channel recording. The Red Tiger A6 captures front and rear views in crisp 2.5K plus 1080p resolution. Drivers can adjust the viewing angle to cover blind spots and ensure full coverage of their vehicle surroundings. Perfect for safety-conscious motorists. Interior infrared night vision. Drive safely at night with the interior infrared night vision. Whether it's a dark parking lot or night commute, the camera captures clear cabin footage. Ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full in-car monitoring. Voice and touch controls. The camera supports hands-free voice commands and intuitive touch controls. Adjust settings, start recordings, or capture snapshots without taking your hands off the wheel, enhancing safety while driving. Built-in GPS tracking. Monitor your routes with GPS functionality. The Red Tiger app and PC player show speed, time, and precise location. This data is invaluable in case of accidents, traffic incidents, or insurance claims. 3-channel recording. Record from 3 angles simultaneously: front in 2.5K, cabin in 1080p, and rear in 1080p. This ensures no detail is missed, giving you complete coverage for both security and evidence purposes. High-resolution video. Experience stunning 4K clarity for front footage. Every detail on the road, license plates, or surroundings is captured with remarkable sharpness, providing peace of mind and reliable documentation. Pros: high-resolution 2.5K plus 1080p dual-channel recording. Interior infrared night vision for low-light conditions. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity with smartphone app control. Voice and touch control for hands-free operation. Built-in GPS for route tracking and detailed playback. Comprehensive 3-channel coverage for full security. Cons: requires SD card for storage. Some advanced settings may take time to explore. Final thoughts. The Red Tiger A6 4K dash camera is more than just a recorder. It's a complete driving companion. With top-notch video quality, intelligent controls, and advanced monitoring features, it offers safety, security, and convenience for every driver. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more tech updates.